In this video, I will be showing you how to use Pictory AI for cartoon videos. So let's just dive right in. So for this one, I highly suggest you use the text to video since it is going to be generating the cartoon video. So you can enter in here, like for example, generate a funny cartoon video for kids. Should be really entertaining. So you can simply enter any type of prompt in here that you like. Then finally, once you can see we have an idea over here as well that we can use. So of course that is gonna be depending on the type of video that you need. So you can enter in here your topic. So let's just say we can simply copy our this existing and paste it over here and hit on generate script option. So just hold on a bit and it is going to be generating this script. So you can see the script is now ready and we have our generate video option now over here. So click on generate video and now it is going to be generating our Pictory AI cartoon video. Before we move to the next step, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 40% off onto their plans to unlock even better features, and make sure to access it using the link. So yeah, you can see the loading is already completed and we are going to be having our video ready. So this is how basically you can generate video. This is the base principle of the text to video, and it's going to be adding multiple shots in here. You can see on the left side we have our script, and you can also customize the shots yourself as well. Simply head over to visuals and choose your shots from here. Like for example, we have cartoons and anything that we like. So this is how you can do it, and see you in the next video.